Alright, we are about to change the hard drive of this laptop. It's a HP. What had happened is the hard drive failed, so it wasn't booting and it was coming out and it just saying hard drive failure. Okay. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the cabinet using our tool, which is a Phillips screwdriver. Take the screws out so you can open this compartment right here. There's a door. It fits in there. Let's see. There. Okay. Now lift this up. There. That's the old hard drive. Well, it's the one that's defective and we need to remove it. So we just really have to unscrew all this stuff. Remove all the screws that's holding it down. Okay, kind of. Is there still a screw holding it down? There. We just kind of like lift this up. Don't lose the screws. You got to unscrew it. That's about right. There. I don't want to lose that screw, so I'm going to put it there. Now the other side. There are two screws that's holding it down. Ooh. Yeah. Now there's there's more. 4. Oh, there's none there. So that should very easily just come off. See? We take this is defective, and as we take that out, we put the new one in, which kind of like just slides in like this here. There. Alright, now put the screws back. There you go. One screw in. Another one of those tiny screws here somewhere. This protective housing or cover. Good. One more. Yeah. The screws are so tiny. You could easily drop them and then lose it. So you gotta be extra careful. Once you get it started, it should go in. There. Nice. Okay. Alright. Now, this one see the connectors right here has to plug in here, so you have to push it in there slowly until it slides in and connects perfectly. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to kind of like tilt this like this and push it in. See how that's completely connected together. Now put the screws back on this. Alright, now this, put the cover back. Alright, and this one too. And make sure you secure that door cover. Watch the wire. Good, it's not coming off. Now we're going to test it. So I'm going to plug it in. Just focus on there.
It's right there.
Okay. So plug that in. Let me turn it on. And see how our new hard drive works. Get the screen. It's obviously booting. We're just going to wait for it. Here it comes.
Ooh.
So we know that it works.
Oh.
Okay, we are now on the front page of the computer screen. Alright, it's still loading a little bit here and there. Upgrade. And that's how you change your hard drive. Alright, it's really not that hard to do. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red button below the video. And we'll see you again next time on our next video. Take care of yourselves.